we want.
If I could be honest, here in this moment, I've been so nervous to stand here with you. They're all here for us, and I feel their aura. But just for a moment, I'll pretend it's just you. Yes, they can hear us, but they don't understand. I have said all of my vows behind the curtain. I know they see us, but they don't stand a chance. I have kissed those lips 1,000 times before this. Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you. And I will wait to hear you say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you. If I could be honest, here at the altar, I refuse to grow older unless
Hai
it's
Kak Dita, happy wedding dengan Bang Enda. Semoga makin samawa, terus dapat momongan.
made you a
Yeay.
promise, though I'd never noticed how much it meant to you.
Buat wanita sama Bang Enda, semoga jadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah warahmah, dan bisa memberikan cucu ke Bapak.
There is more behind these words that we have spoken. I know they see us, but only at a glance. Only you know the man that I am beyond the surface. Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you.
Bujur katakan kami, man anak kami, Enda Karolas Teguh, Ras anak kami, Adita Tita Loka Berusta Kendal, Ilas Perdaguna, Makanan Baru, Jumpakan bulan Rahmatawar, dapat anak dilakir hana ada baru, sinutut cimparas, si lukat makan, si barem, menjajuah kita krina, bujur.